Ready, start. Per contra, comma, learned AGA submitted that if the law enjoins filing of written objection prior to consideration of bail of a convict accused, comma, then it also enjoins grant of time while considering interim bail, full stop. Learned AGA further submitted that if a thing is required to be done in a particular manner, then either it should be done in that manner or not at all. Full stop. He further submitted that amendment was brought by the legislature so that convicts of death sentence, comma, life imprisonment or for a term of 10 years, comma, or more may not be released on bail easily without hearing public prosecutor, full stop. Learned AGA, comma, therefore, comma, submitted that no interim bail should be granted to the appellant without giving opportunity to the state council to file objection, full stop. On merits, learned AGA, comma, argued that conviction of the appellants is sustainable and trial court rightly held them guilty, full stop. He supported impugned judgment of conviction and sentence by contending that diary of the deceased indicate that she was maltreated with disrespect, full stop. He further submitted on the strength that mother did not support prosecution version as she was compelled for it to save Kendan Prasad from conviction, comma, who was her relative, full stop. He further pointed out that PW4, 5, and 6 have supported prosecution story and therefore evidence of PW3 does not damage prosecution case, and for this he pointed out page 19, full stop. Ultimately, it was argued that bail of the appellants be refused. Full stop. Next. Now, analyzing ambit and scope of the proviso attached to section 389 of the code, comma, it transpires that the said proviso relates to only to a procedure and does not affect or curtail power of the appellate court in matter of grant of bail, full stop. It nowhere restricts or creates an embargo on such a power, full stop. What it provides is only a procedure to be observed while considering bail of a convicted accused sentenced with death, comma, life imprisonment or imprisonment for 10 years or more, full stop. Thus the legislative intent was never to curtail power of appellate court in matters of grant of bail, but only to hear public prosecutor, full stop. Scope of such a proviso therefore cannot be stretched to scuttle power of the court to grant interim bail, full stop. It was rightly argued that a proviso may carve out an exception but cannot curtail limits of parent section, full stop. Further sentences of less than 10 years of imprisonment is beyond the purview of said proviso, comma, where its observance of granting time to the public prosecutor, comma, to file written objection can be eschewed, comma, albeit hearing of public prosecutor may be strictly adhered to, full stop. Thus, the proviso has been added as an abundant caution only, comma, otherwise, comma, normally, comma, but for certain aberrations, comma, no bail in appeal against conviction is considered without hearing public prosecutor, full stop. Mandatory character of granting time to file written objection and hearing public prosecutor has been enacted only to eschew aberrations and block loopholes of hearing state counsel in matters of grant of bail after conviction, full stop.